Good morning, guys. Johnny with Blazy Grass Lawn Care. It's probably about 50 something right now. I want to show you real quick what I'm doing. I'm only doing like 2 or 3 jobs, and the first one is going to be this one right here. If you guys have been following me for a while, you've seen this property before, and it's basically we're going to blow everything in one area, mulch it up, and this is a bi-weekly, and this is also a bi-weekly, and this one is a little bit different because it is pine needles. And what I'll try to do with this one is take most of the pine needles and put it into the bed if I can, but the rest is going to be just put on a tarp, and I'm going to take it in the back here and of course blow this and put it over there in the back here, the same thing. So I put a link to this video because I don't want to show you the same thing, but I will show you the before, which I'm doing right now, and I'll show you the after in a few minutes. Okay, this is probably going to take me about an hour and 15 minutes for both properties. All right, and this is a bi-weekly, so I'll show you what it looks like at the end. This is my winter I'll call it my winter setup, but it's the same setup that I keep all the time. The only thing that changes is my mowers. So I'm keeping this part of the video in real time so you can see how the Oregon mulching blades are fantastic at mulching these leaves, and they do a great job. So I'll put a picture of them on the top here, and you can, you know, Google them afterwards. So they are made by Oregon. So these are the blades that I use anytime this time of the season is upon us. Alright guys, so after giving it one quick blow, this is what it looks like. Nice, crispy, looking good. And then we're gonna move on to the next property. And I'm not showing you guys the back, okay? We're not gonna go through all of that. So enjoy this portion of the cleanup. Right here we took a lot of the pine straw from the tree. He's got two big large pine trees, and we just wrapped it around the base of both trees as she requested, and that one over there. And believe it or not, guys, next time we come back, this is going to be half the height, probably way lower, and we're going to add more pine straw on top because it's a biodegradable and it decomposes. All right, let's move on to the next one. Like I said before, guys, I do these every 2 weeks. So next time I come back, this one I won't have too much to do in the front because the tree is almost finished, but this one it'll be probably worse. So, you know, all right, let's move on.